I'ma just pray that we don't die, right? Obviously, I don't want to die, so I'm gonna press on my fucking breathe. You heard me? Stop. Easy. This is how it should be. So they not gonna know it's a manual unless you like this.
Okay.
No, hold up. No. See, you don't have to focus right on what I'm doing. Just look, just like that. You see what I'm saying? Because I'm still gonna be in the frame.
Stop!
Boy, what's wrong with you? Be quiet. Be quiet. All right. So like this. See, you trying to angle it. Don't angle it. I still want it like that, because if it's not like that, then in the video when I publish it, it's gonna look like slanted. So it still has to be like that.
I still can't tell that it's in the manual. You can't see the stick now.
Yes, just like that.
Okay.
That's because that's all you gotta see.
Okay.
Right? Then like you can occasionally
show your face.
Show my face, but you don't have to, immediately like show it the whole time. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Like you could show it like just starting up the car.
Now you cut the wheel all the way that way.
Yeah.
And you ease on off this hump.
Yeah. So
they shouldn't scrape or nothing. You just ease on off it.
You ready? So this is already recording. So you trying to angle it.
I'm going to move your hand.
Just like that. Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, because you can see my hand and the steering wheel.
Yeah.
You can see that?
Yeah.
Then occasionally you would
I'll show you.
Show me, right? So let's go ahead and get this thing started, because it is hot in the mug in here.
Yeah, that's what I say. It's hot.
It is hot.
Cut the wheel all the way towards that tree before you even start going anywhere. Say cheese.
We need to work on your camera still. How I'm working on manual, I need to
show me how to use the camera.
How to use the camera, cause Lord.
What gear you in?
2.
Is it not telling you 3 yet?
Nope. I can speed up and shift it to 3.
Yeah, go ahead, do that. It's probably telling you 4 now.
Yep.
Okay. It probably told you 3, but you didn't see it. It doesn't stay on forever.
1 and 2 is really like was hard. Well, not hard, but like the timing. Because everything else is like, okay, it'll, you know what I'm saying, the car itself will help you go along. Now, what in the world?
What?
Why would he even? Come on, now. See, like, that's something you would try to get on the camera. You know what I'm saying? That dude just trying to ease in. See, you looking right here the whole time. See, you gotta go back and forth, right? You can't just look at one thing the whole time. But then when you record me, you can't just like look me dead in my face. Like, you gotta like record.
This is one bitching student. Boy, oh boy. Bitch.
You can't record.
No. First I record him chewing his cap. Too cheap to buy gum.
Oh, Lord. Wow, that's crazy.
So he chews his bottle caps. And he should have been on the left lane. He don't know where Yauco Plaza is yet.
Oh, Lord.
But he all right.
They're going to let me turn.
They're going to let you turn? Shit. I doubt it.
Oh, shoot. They must ain't never been to Fayetteville then.
No, I doubt it.
They
probably ain't left Yauco.
I'll show these Puerto Ricans something. You remember that dude was calling me an American? Hey! Boy, get your hands off him.
Go straight.
Why would I go straight?
Because you started.
Gosh!
Oh my God!
Oh!
Pressure on. The pressure's on. Everybody's gonna honk at you, buddy. Ease. Oh! Even the boys are laughing. Okay, now slow down. You're gonna miss Yauco Plaza.
Okay. Where at?
It's up here somewhere. Where them cars are coming out at?
Right here?
No, up there.
Right here? Where the car just came out at?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yauco Plaza. Whiplash.
I'm telling you, that 1 and 2 is dangerous.
There's Caribbean cinemas.
That 1 and 2 is dangerous, I'm telling you. What, the movie theater?
Yeah.
Okay. Might have to come on up here.
Well, when you see the prices.
Okay.
Not when you see the prices. These people don't believe in giving a person a break. I don't think they got what they call that.
Business? Or customer service?
They don't have the cheap flicks, you know, like.
Oh, yeah, I know you're talking about like how we got
Yeah, like the dollar movie and stuff like that. They don't have that. Matinee.
I ain't never heard of that, but I know what you're talking about though.
You can turn up in here.
What?
Turn on here.
Is this the plaza?
Yeah, that's part of it.
I'm trying to go where the food at.
Oh shit!
This,
Turn the
oh
wrong
my
place.
lord!
My bad.
I told you groceries.
I know. I'm trying to test out your skills, but don't hit the truck. I want to be able to say, Keo, take yourself. You could drive.
I mean, I can.
You good?
Oh lord!
You did better the first time. This is a good exercise for him because he's busting a sweat. Look at him sweat. Look at them drips coming out his face. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh! Why is this thing tripping? I'm learning. I aprendo.
Smile.
Oh, there it is. Oh no, it's aprendo.
Take a left. All right.
All right?
Yeah,
All right,
right.
okay. Come see this in Spain, all right?
Derecho.
Oh, this is not the right way. This is not the right way. It wasn't the right. It was not a right.
Well,
GPS is faulty.
no, I ain't GPSing.
Hey, bud!
Rosine. Go down that way.
This way?
Yeah. I want to take you to the right because it's going to be difficult for you if you keep stalling out like that. We're going to get hit. So make a left.
Okay. Stall out. How do people do that? How do they, I don't understand how people just be like cruising in first. Like, how do people do that?
I don't know. I do it all the time.
Really?
I don't stall out. But baby, I've been driving for double your years.
How do people just cruise in first like this? I don't know. Maybe they stay on the clutch. I don't know.
I'll stay in neutral if it's on a little. Keep going straight. You're gonna turn past that stop sign right there. To the left, of course. Because you go to the right, you'll go into Western Auto.
Hey, y'all don't know this, but y'all life is in danger. Stop counting, boy.
They're counting the minutes that are left.
Y'all counting the rest of y'all time, I tell you.
Take a left. They're gonna be humped, so you might as well stay on first or second. You ain't gotta switch.
I'm gonna just stay on first.
And sometimes people will just back up onto you.
Really?
Oh yeah. Y and Z.
Yeah, I had to turn the AC on with the windows down because it's hot.
Well, you could raise the windows now.
Oh, it's okay. So I'll raise it back. Oh. Hey, get the boy.
Keep
Get
your
your hands off the
inside.
window, nah. Boy, I swear. Yeah, y'all be wanting somebody to slap y'all in the head.
You got the child? Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I turned it on.
It's the cruising through the mall, through whatever, the plaza. This is Yauco Plaza 2, I believe.
Crazy. All these people just walking on their phone, just
If
talking.
you want to buy furniture, go to Burials. It's the best in town. There we go, free advertisement.
All these people just walking and don't even know their life in danger. It's crazy. I'm busting left or right?
Left,
Really?
No.
unless you're buying some chicken or something.
What you mean?
KFC is right there.
Oh, no.
To the right and straight across to the other plaza.
Okay.
Yauco Plaza 1, Yauco Plaza 2. We're in 2, that's 1.
Man, hope we don't stall in the middle of the street.
You better not. You're gonna hear horns.
No, you.
Some people will laugh, but some people will curse you out.
It's gonna be crazy. Yeah, I better brace y'all.
You got your lights on?
Why?
Because
I
it's
got 'em on.
nighttime.
Okay.
It's 6:35, officially night.
So you the only cameraman I know that you don't even be looking at the camera. You be like this. Yeah, I'm recording you. I see you. And I'm like, do you? And you're like, I see you. And you're not looking at the camera. So I'm like,
We're waiting on the light. Here we go.
What
Here
y'all
we go.
want, boy? What do y'all want?
He wants more.
Huh?
Mama.
what you want?
Mamacita. Okay, let's see if you're gonna stall out.
Because
on
what
this
you gonna want is VVAC to live.
24 minutes to buy what you need.
For what?
Mr. Special close at 7.
Oh, dang. Okay.
Walgreens, they open till 10, 11, something like that. Walgreens sells expensive. And I don't think you're going to find what you want there. He didn't stall out. He's doing good. We didn't stall out at the main traffic light. We got a lot of humps. I'm not screaming at him.
Telling you, it sounds like you're screaming.
He's screaming at you. What? Okay, you see Mr. Special over there, right? To the right. It says Panaderia. Go to the right.
It don't say Mr. Special if it say what you just said.
Well, it's Mr. Special and they got a bakery.
Because Baradaria is not Mr. Special.
Panaderia is bakery.
That don't say
Anyway,
Mr.
whenever
Special.
you decide to turn right, you can.
And for that, we're walking.
It's no better.
Oh, look. Nope. Can't turn in. Oh, I can park now. Nope.
Listen to what
Oh.
he said. He could park. He stalled out.
I mean, bro, I don't understand how.
You'll get the hang of it.
I'm telling you, that 1 and 2 is dangerous.
You'll get the hang of it. Romeo saying, ba 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 hee 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 hee.
I'm pretty sure he's not saying that to me. Like,
Yes,
come
he
on.
is.
No, he's not. Come on now.
Hey, when I take some curves real sharp, the boy be going, whoa! Here you go. He'd be like, whoa! Okay, buddy. Come on.
Close the door.
Yes, it's nice.
Close the door. Close the door. Close it. Close it.
You heard Jamarian?
Huh?
It's nighttime. Come on,
Who said that?
Jamarian.
Oh, Lord. What's that step, boy?
And you don't even know it's nighttime. It's nighttime.
It's nighttime.
Hey, it's rough.
Yeah, it's a truck. I'm gonna buy a truck one day. Come on.
I know what the fun. Look at the fun of me.
Oh,
But, I mean, it's cool. I'm not gonna be able to drive back because little does she know I forgot my glasses.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I'll
And it's already nighttime, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pitch black. Puerto Rico don't get a lot of hours of daylight. That junk is crazy, but it was cool. Well, I'm most definitely gonna get some more lessons in, and before you know it, I'll be driving like Paul Walker on Fast and Furious. You heard me? Oh,
That's not the dead one, is it?
yeah, he did. He did. Well, I mean, he wasn't driving when he died. Where we going? Oh, you can get in the buggy. Okay. So, y'all be easy. Don't say nothing about my hair. I know the thing messed up. But y'all be easy. I'm going to be easy too. Hey, I'm about to go in here and get some
Okay, y'all
groceries.
sit.
And we out.